Yeah, we've made meatloaf before, but we've never used Kraft's Tomato French Dressing on it. I love this stuff. It tasted good over rice. Let's try it on meatloaf. A yellow lot. Let's try it on meatloaf. Oh man. Oh, I'm excited. Here we go. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, you want to eat this by the spoonful. Oh, I'm going to put a little bit more on. Oh. Make meatloaf the way you want it. Try it with this dressing. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. I got nothing else to say. More, please. I didn't think I'd be doing this today. Thanks for joining me this
Friday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Oh. The original recipe for tomato French dressing makes double this amount. I made half. Oh my God, I almost dropped it.